Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students, welcome to the 7th session of our initiation. This week, you are going to learn about making and responding to an appointment as well as giving an explanation in English. You can find this week topic in Module 8 and Module 9. Each module consists of 2 learning activities. By the end of the week, you are expected to be able to identify the expression used to make a response to an appointment or explanation or negotiation and draw a conclusion in a meeting. Please study the materials and enrichment links below. Afterward, please participate in discussion forum 7 and do the assignment